Welcome. If you're managing a Telegram group on your PC and want to prevent other admins from changing your group's info after the latest update, you're in the right place. Today, I'll guide you step by step on how to lock down the change group info permission, both for all members and for specific admins. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your PC. Once you're in, navigate to the group where you're an admin. You'll see your list of chats on the left. Just click on the group you want to manage. At the top right corner of the group chat window, you'll find 3 dots. Click on them and select Manage Group from the drop-down menu. This opens up all your group management options. Next, look for the Permissions section. Here, you control what regular members can do. Find the option labeled Change Group Info. Disable this permission by toggling it off. This means that regular members, including new ones, won't be able to change your group's name, photo, or description. Don't forget to click Save to apply these changes. Now, let's make sure specific admins can't alter the group info either. Still in the Manage Group section, click on Administrators. You'll see a list of all admins in your group. Click on the admin whose permissions you want to restrict. A menu will appear, showing all the rights this admin currently has. Find the Change Group Info option and disable it by toggling it off. This ensures that even though they're an admin, they won't be able to edit the group's details. Once you've made your changes, click Save. Repeat this process for any other admins you want to restrict. By following these steps, you keep full control over your group's information, no matter how many admins you have. That's it. You've now secured your Telegram group from unwanted info changes, both from members and other admins. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to stay tuned for more tips on managing your Telegram groups efficiently. Thanks for watching.